Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. Hope you're doing well today. In this video, we're going to show you all the accessories you can buy for the Jabra Evolve2 65. So let's get started right now. All right, so I'm going to put a link to all of these products in the video description below just so you have easy access to them. So let's show you what they are and what they're all about. All right, so up first is a Jabra Evolve2 65 pouch. So it's just a way to store and protect your Jabra Evolve2 65. And that's if you lose the one that it comes with, it's easier to travel with that pouch and it keeps your headset protected. Or you just like overprotecting your stuff, you can use a pouch. So they only sell a 10 pack, which is kind of odd. But, you know, it is what it is. Maybe it's for larger organizations or they want people to kind of buy it and then kind of split it out. I'm not exactly sure what the deal with that is, but it's $100 for the 10 pack. And again, I'll have a link to all of these products on the page. All right, so let's check out the next one here. All right, so we have the Jabra charging stand. Now this is a nice item to have so that you can place your headset in a designated spot so you can charge the headset, put it there when you finish your shift at the end of the day, and it has that designated spot. Otherwise, what you have to do is plug in that USB-C cable to the back of the headset, which is fine. It's USB-C, so you know it's very fast, very simple, but it's just nicer to have the charging stand. So that'll run you $70. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, all right, so we got replacement ear cushions that you can get. As you see, these are leather ear cushions. They're nice, but they are going to wear out over time, so it's convenient to be able to have some replacement options. But again, they decided to go the bulk route on these as well, so they're only available in a 6-pack for $70. So you can preserve the life of your headset by utilizing those ear cushions, which is cool, and they're easy to replace, so it will work. All right, let's see what else. Okay, so Jabra on their website does not list a USB-C to USB-A cable, so you just can get a generic one if you want a longer, maybe you lost the cable that came with the headset, or you want a longer cable so you can use this as a wired headset when needed. Plug in that USB-C, plug it into the computer, and it will A, either charge the headset, or B, you can just use the headset without that charge in case you need it. All right, the last one here is the Jabra Link 380 or the 380 UC. And what this does is allow you to connect the headset to the computer. It comes included with it already out of the box, but maybe you lost it and you need a replacement. So you can get a replacement. It's going to cost you $100 for that little Bluetooth dongle, but that's okay because it does really help make this headset even more valuable as you get those advanced features with it. Then you have the USB-C option or the USB-A option as you see on the screen here. All right, so that's all the accessories that you can get for the Jabra Evolve2 65. And as you didn't see on the screen there is no replaceable battery for this, which is a huge bummer, as when the battery wears out, that means that you're gonna have to get a new headset, which Jabra probably really likes, but from a consumer and environmental standpoint, that's not the best. But most of the headsets that are Bluetooth wireless headsets like this are that way, probably because they're packing a lot of value into a small frame and just trying to make it as efficient as possible. And the battery life is so good now that it's probably going to last you a really, really long time. So ultimately, I will put all of the links in the video description below that help support this channel. So please use those links. And if you need help finding a headset that's best for your specific situation, you know, reach out to us. I'll put our contact information in the video description as well as a link to our website so you can get in contact with us, live chat, or send us an email, whatever works best for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.